So ladies and gentlemen, again we're going live from the border Cambodia, Thailand at Praychan village, Obechuan commune, Ochra district, Banteay Meanchey province. This is the activity from Thailand. They are using the bulldozer to, remove small tree and grasses. And you see here, this is the barbed wire. This is the barbed wire that Thailand lay for like months ago. And I would love everybody to come up close and see this. So ladies and gentlemen, please share this slide right now so that the world could see. You see here the fence, the barbed wire here? Yes. This is Thailand activity. And I believe that everyone understand this. From Cambodia side, we do not start any activity, but over there you could see that the bulldozer and the cars keep coming. The cars keep coming. You see, I want to zoom so that everyone could see. Here is Thailand Army. I would like to zoom so that everyone could see. Yes. You see over there, Thailand Army. And over there is a bulldozer. Okay? The bulldozer and some kind of machine that I'm not sure what it is. It has a white color. It has a white color over there. So everybody please share this live right now so that the world could see this Thailand incident that occurring in Praychan village, Obechuan commune, Ochra district, Banteay Meanchey province. This is the incident that occurring from Thai side. Thai side try to provoke different activity from time to time, from day to day. And you know what? We want the world to see this. We want the world to hear this. We want the world to witness this. This is not normal. This is not simple. This is something that again, that violate the President Trump ceasefire agreement. You see that is a Thai army. That man is a Thai army. He is a Thai troop. He walking on our land. You see over there? They keep provoking Cambodian every day. You see that man that wearing a white hat and red shirt over there. They are, keep looking at us. And over there are 3 men keep walking here. There are 3 men keep walking here. We believe that is Thai East. We don't know what they are doing, but they keep walking around and they are like one bulldozer and another heavy machine that I'm not sure what it is. I'm not sure what it is. So international community, please watch out this aggressive action from Thailand. This incident is occurring right now. In Cambodia time is 11:28 a.m. on the 13th October 2025 in Praychan village, Obechuan commune, Ochra district, Banteay Meanchey province. So ladies and gentlemen, Thailand always said that they always respect the President Trump ceasefire agreement. But no, you could see here, they never respect the President Donald Trump ceasefire agreement. They always provoke the situation from day to day, from time to time. During the daytime, you could see that the bulldozer are keep working every day. In the morning, until like 3, 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock in the evening, every day. And at night, Thailand provoke Cambodia or Cambodian by playing horrible sound. Like last night, I also go live about that sound as well. The bulldozer just like 10-20 minutes ago, they are trying to pull out the grass and small tree here. But when we get here closer, the bulldozer tried to get away. They tried to get away. But at the same time, you can see the incidents here. You can see that it just now that the bulldozer tried to take down small tree and some crosses. And there are some people over there, we believe that they are Thai troops under the tree. I believe that you might not see clearly, but from outside of the line, I could see that a group of Thai army are standing under the tree. They look at us. They're standing under the tree. And there are two guys over there wearing blue shirt. He's standing, talking to each other. And the machine is still working. The bulldozer still working. So this is a real, violation to the ceasefire agreement. I don't know what incident, what activity that we could tell as the violation more than this. I don't know what action that I could tell more than this as we count as the violation. You could see that the white machine, the white heavy machine is driving toward the road right now. It driving toward the road right now. I'm not sure that what machine is that. But from what I heard and I saw yesterday, that is a landmine scanning machine. That is a landmine scanning machine. But I'm not sure what it is clearly. But from what I saw yesterday and right now, the real picture, the real photo, the real footage here, we could identify that it is a machine to scan the landmine. And not only one, there are another one. The white machine is still working on the field, and the other one is driving toward the road here. And now they stop, and the bulldozer just now they are trying to pull off the grass and a small tree, but now they're driving into the forest so that we could not see, so that they afraid that Cambodian gonna show the world that they violate ceasefire agreement of the President Donald Trump. And you know what? Thailand even put some condition for the President Donald Trump. How bold they are. That they try to put the condition for the President Donald Trump. Thailand said that if the President Donald Trump want to have peace deal with Cambodia, want to coordinate the peace deal between Cambodia and Thailand, the President Donald Trump have to make sure that Cambodia respect or agree upon 2-4 conditions. They said that the first condition, Cambodia have to remove our armed force. Second, they said that Cambodia have to remove all weapons along the border. You know what? And the third condition, they said that Cambodia must remove or clear all the landmines along Cambodia and Thailand border. And the fourth condition, the last one, they said that Cambodia have to, discriminate, destroy, or have to work on the scam center. And you know what? Thailand is the center of, of the gambling, of online scamming and everything. Thailand is the center. You can see that the car keep driving in and out. They bring people in, bring people out, and some people are now walking. I'm not sure that he is a Cham Palang. I'm not sure that he is a guy who found the human physics. I'm not sure. But the guy in the middle wear the black clothes, and he keep walking. He keep giving any instruction to the people walk behind him. The two guys walk behind him. I'm not sure that he is a Cham Palang. But you know what? The Prime Minister of Thailand, Mr. Anutin, praised the founder of human physics guy. And I'm not sure that how could he praise this kind of person. I'm not sure that how could a minister could praise this type of person. I'm very aware, I'm very afraid that how could Thailand, become this kind of a good economic country, a modern country, and having this kind of people working in the government. So everybody, you could see by your own eye right now. These people are standing, talking, giving instruction, and keep working on their heavy machine that we are not really sure what machine is that. But from what I saw yesterday and the people showing on the internet, they said that this kind of machine is the landmine scanner, landmine machine scanner. So they scan. They coming here to scan the land if the land here got any mine around. But you know what? This is Cambodia land, okay? This is Cambodia land. For sure, yes. It must be have some landmine because it is Cambodia land, okay? It is Cambodia land. So Cambodia land, it has landmine, it's no more. Because you know what? Thailand have no landmine. And you know why Thailand have no landmine? Because Thailand have no war. So if the land here got any mine, it is not Cambodia that plant a new mine, but it is the old mine. It is the old mine that being planted for like decades ago. Okay? For decades ago. And that is clearly showing that this land is Cambodia land. This land is Cambodia land. It is not Thailand territory, okay? It's not Thailand territory. It is a Cambodia land, okay? Cambodia territory. So, ladies and gentlemen, we hope that you get the information. We hope that you get some the real knowledge from what we are giving you right now. We hope that you could see by your own eye, hear by your own ear, and keep researching or checking the documentation so that you will understand what is going on. And what the situation here. So, ladies and gentlemen, please share this live, and I hope that international community will not stay silent. We have to stand up. We have to stand up here. It doesn't mean that you have to take side for Cambodia. It is not. You can just stand up so that the world need, justify the situation so that everyone get the same chance, okay, to develop their country. Not just can take any land, whatever you want like this. That is unfair. This is Cambodia land. How come you just lay the barbed wire here and then you get the land? That is impossible. That is not right. In 2025, if you want to do something like this, we can come and talk. Do not just lay the barbed wire and you want to get this land. And also, Thailand just showing the video last night. They showing the historical video about the Cambodian refugee during the 1929 and 1981, okay? At that time, for sure, yes, Cambodian people, as a refugee, they going to Thai border. And you know why Cambodian people go to Thai border? Because that United Nations give a lot of money to Thailand, so that Thailand could build up a refugee camp and have Cambodian, okay, to live there, to stay there, to eat there, and then some Cambodian people can, can cure from their sickness over there, okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope that you can see this information and see by your own eye here. This is a real violation from Thailand activity, and we hope that the international community will not stay silent. We hope that everyone gonna stand up for justice. We hope that everyone gonna stand up for humanity. This is unfair for Cambodia. We only want peace. Cambodia need peace. Cambodian need peace. So, ladies and gentlemen, we gotta finish the live right now. Any activity, we gonna go live again so that everyone could see the Thailand activity that they violate ceasefire agreement of the President Donald Trump and the President Malaysia, the President of the Asian community. Thank you. Goodbye.